Hello, welcome to Happy Joy Cards DIY Bookmark Kit video. So in this video, we will be showing you what are the possible designs that you can make from the DIY Bookmark Kit that you may have gotten at our booth at Suntec City. Thanks for coming to the pop-up booth. The kit includes one tag sheet white cardstock measuring 2 3/4 by 4 3/8, one pocket shaped cardstock measuring 2 7/8 by 3 1/4 inch. So this cardstock will be of random color in your kit. It includes a variety of colors for the pocket, like for example this range of colors, and it will also include one triangular shaped pattern paper measuring 2.5 by 2 3/4 inch. This will also be of random design, so it will also include one strand of ribbon. It will include 3 cardstock strips and more than 3 pieces of decorative cardstock or card making ephemera. So this includes a random color heart, 2 sentiment strips, 5 punch out flowers, hearts and stars here. In the kit you will see that there are 2 possible designs, and we shall go into showing you how we can make the 2 possible designs. The first design is pocket. So how this pocket works is that this piece, as you can see, there are folding lines here. So we just need to fold these lines inward, like this, and like this. Okay, before we go further, let's go into what are the basic tools you might need. So you can use white craft glue, pair of scissors, and if you would like to, you can also use double-sided tape. You will need to apply a little bit of double-sided tape here. I have a roll like this where it's thin enough. If you bought our never-ending card kit, it includes a roll of double-sided tape that is thin too. But if not, you can just get a roll of this at almost any place. Popular, Daiso, Art Friend. For corners, I like to use a bit of glue, and sometimes the double-sided tape cannot reach the little edges here. Let's do it this way. Paste it down. Yep. This is the pocket. You can use something hard to press down on the item that you are trying to stick down, so that it helps to hold it in place. This is what we have. A pocket. You can put down the pattern paper as is seen in your first possible design. So this will be one of it. You can proceed to stick down the pieces. For the heart, because you want the pocket to remain open, you can either leave it here and only stick down the portion that is below the heart, or you can even shift the heart here. So it's up to you. But for the sake of this video, I will use the design that is provided in your kit. But it's really up to you how you want to change the design around, such that it's do what you like best. Yeah. This portion is the part that will stick below. So I stick it like this, and I stick down the sentiment. this is what I'm trying to do, and I will thread my bookmark. You can also use it as a tag, like if you want to give someone a gift or even a gift card. You can slot a gift card here, like a Starbucks gift card, anything you like. So this is what the first design will look like. Then I will show you the second design as stated in your kit. But let me show you, like if you insert a message, you can insert a message in, come out here. Yep, this is the first design. So for the second design, I've taken another blank card just for the purpose of showing you the second possible design. You can even use cut a piece of white paper to this size and punch a hole with a standard hole puncher that you have at home and get a ribbon, and you can make a second possible design with the remaining pieces in your kit. I will use this to make 3 diagonal lines. I have applied the double-sided tape and adding a little bit of glue to ensure a bit of bigger thumb. We shall add the 3 stripes here, here, and here. Then we will proceed to cut away the excess bits of strip of paper, excess strips of paper. It's easy because you cut along the edges of the bookmark here. Then we have our first base of the bookmark, and we shall add our heart here. I am going to use the blue heart and this sentiment. A tip that you can do is, for example, if you see that there's going to be a bit of imbalance at the bottom when you paste it here, you can always add a bit of cardstock below the heart, so that there is some dimension here that is of equal height as the base. So for example, when I paste it down here, I know that the extra cardstock below will help to balance this embellishment. I don't have a fully sunken in piece. Another thing about the glue is you see that it kind of creates a very wet look with the embellishment. So that's another reason why I prefer to use double-sided tape, as it doesn't wet the cardstock. So if I wanted, I could have put another piece of cardstock here. So let's do it so I can show you. So I can put another piece here. Then to balance things out, and I'll put it here. Make today beautiful. And add the embellishments on various spots of the card. Maybe I'll add it here. So add a bit of glue. Spread it out a bit. Then pick up the embellishment and stick it down here. Can also add one of these to top of the card. Beware of gluey sticky fingers here. Okay. Okay. and keep the pieces that you don't need for another card or another project. This is my second possible design. Let's take a look at both designs now. Thank you for watching this video.